Safe and fast charging. This USB-C cable supports fast charging to 0 and 3.0 with a maximum output of 3A, and the Samsung S21 can be fully charged in 1.5 hours. Thanks to the built-in 56 kΩ resistor, this USB-C Type-C cable ensures reliable conduction and charging, protecting your phone from damage due to excessive current. Braided zinc alloy. Made of high-purity zinc alloy shell gives this USB to USB-C cable strong resistance to oxidation and wear, smoother, harder and more durable than aluminum alloy. Humanized 90-degree design. The right-angle USB-C connector design is more friendly to customer use, more convenient and comfortable to play games, watch videos and read ebooks while charging. Durable and flexible. This Type-C USB cable includes a zinc connector, a nylon braided housing and a triple shield of tinned copper, and has been lab-tested to over 20,000 bends and 3,000 insertions and removals for a very long life. Broad compatibility. This USB-C to USB cable is compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, S21, S20, S10, S9, S8, Z Flip 3, Z Fold 3, iPad Mini 6, iPad Pro 2021, iPad Air 4, LG G7, G8, V40, V50. PS5 DualSense controller. Motorola Razr 2019. Moto G7, G6. Moto Z Force. Nintendo Switch. GoPro Hero 8, Google Pixel and other Type-C device. Top reviews from the United States. USB-C side fits nice and close to the device it's plugged into. Using this to connect my external batteries to my Galaxy Z Fold 3, but wanted a cable for a short reach from the battery on my desk while playing games without extra cable flopping around, and this fits nicely. The right angle fits almost perfectly against the device with an aramid fiber case, so when I am playing a game, I don't have a bulge sticking out that I have to reach around. The finish on the zinc alloy is also really nice. Now I wish they had this same cable but longer with USB-C to USB-C so I can have a complete set.